皆様、新年明けましておめでとうございます。
Happy New Year, everyone!
So, do you know what お正月 is? The お正月 means New Year's holiday in Japanese. Generally, we consider it from January 1st to 7th. It's the most important and happiest traditional holiday in Japan. We wish each other happiness and wellness for the New Year's during the week.
Traditionally, people in Japan believe that a god called Toshigami-sama would come on New Year's Day to the houses to give happiness for the new year.
That's why there is a traditional culture among Japanese people to clean the house before New Year's Day, decorate the home, make offerings to the altar, etc. Maybe explain some お正月 terms.
I upload new lesson videos every week. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Okay then, let's get started! Ganjitsu, New Year's Day. Gantan, New Year's Day. Shougatsu, New Year's holiday. We commonly add the hiragana o in front of 正月 to respect the special day. Kadomatsu, New Year's decoration for entrances. This one, Kadomatsu, is a pair of pine tree decorations often made with bamboo and plum flowers. Traditionally, placed in front of the gates of a house or a building from January 1st to the 7th. People in Japan believed that this one was a sign for the god that the place was purified and ready for him. Shimekazari, New Year's wreath made with rice straw ropes. The shimekazari is basically a wreath people put on the door during the New Year's season. It means to protect the house or the building from evil spirits. A lot of times, you would see a tangerine fruit on rice straw ropes. Kagami mochi, New Year's round rice cakes for offering to the god. The kagami mochi are round rice cakes offerings to the god of the new year, Toshigami-sama. These two rounds mean sun and moon, yin and yang. 初日の出、初日の出、初日の出。The first sunrise of the year. Ancient Japanese people believed that the god, 年神様, will descend to earth with the sunrise. That's why some Japanese people would go to some viewpoints to see it and pray for their health and happiness of the new year. 初詣、初詣、初詣。The first visit of the year to the shrine. The 初詣 was used to be a religious event, but nowadays many Japanese people visit shrine around the New Year's holiday for an annual event to enjoy and celebrate the holiday. It can be any day, but New Year's Day is the most popular day to visit shrines for the first time in the year. Some people dress up in kimono, the traditional Japanese attire, to visit the shrine for New Year's holiday. おせち料理、おせち料理、おせち料理 or simply おせち、おせち、おせち traditional Japanese dishes for New Year's holiday. Traditionally, people prepare some foods for おせち on New Year's Eve because the holiday time would be so busy. The osechi ingredients are meant for Japanese people for their health and happiness. お雑煮、お雑煮、お雑煮A bowl of soup with rice cakes, vegetables, and chicken for the end of the New Year's holiday. The ingredients can differ. The ingredients can differ where they live in Japan, but traditionally, we use the rice cake, mochi, from the kagami mochi, which was offered to the god on New Year's Day. Yes.The traditional way to make this ozoni is to recycle rice cakes.
Alright, thank you for learning the Japanese culture and the words today. Let's make this year a great one. 本年もどうぞよろしくお願いいたします。
Oh well, making this video made me hungry. I miss my family and friends in Japan and Japanese culture and food, especially because I've never been back there for 6 years. But making these videos on this channel makes me happy, and I'm so glad you are interested in the Japanese language and the culture. Thank you for watching my videos last year. I hope you will stick around with me this year as well. 今年もどうぞよろしくお願いいたします。Thanks for watching and listening to this video. I hope you learned something new about Japanese culture or the language today. If you liked this video, please hit the like button for me. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I will keep uploading something good for you to learn about Japanese language every week. See you in the next video! Bye! またね